So guys, in today's video, we'll quickly show you how to sell digital products on Stan Store in 2024. So we are going to cover the account setup and the main pros and cons. So guys, Stan Store is a user-friendly e-commerce platform perfect for digital products like ebooks, courses, and digital art. So let's get you set up. So guys, for the account setup, just simply go ahead and visit Stan.store website, and from there, just click on sign up and simply enter your details. So guys, after that, just simply verify your email by checking your inbox with a verification code to activate your account. And from there, once you are signed in, just simply set up your store and click on create a store. And after that, just enter your store name, description, logo, and a banner, and just provide the necessary information about your store. So now guys, after that, just simply click on add your products and go to products and click add products. And just simply choose the product type, fill in the details, set the price, and upload your digital file. And then from there, you'll be able to set up your account. And now guys, let's talk about the pros and cons of using Stan Store. So guys, the pros will be it is a user-friendly because it is easy to navigate. So for the second one is integrated payments. So the payment processing will be smooth. And next up will be marketing tools. So guys, Stan Store has a built-in tools to promote your products, and lastly, the analytics to track your sales and performance. So guys, the cons will be the transaction fees. So guys, Stan Stores have a fees per transaction, and second one, it is a limited customization. So guys, it has a fewer design options, and lastly, the platform dependency. So guys, success is tied to Stan Store's reliability. And there you go. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorial.